Are you ready to learn the secret mindset hacks that top performers use to achieve success? Whether you're aiming to crush your career, build your dream life, or simply unlock the power of your mind, today's video is for you. We are going to break down how you can think like the high achievers and give you the exact tools you need to rewire your thinking and perform at your absolute best. So, what's the secret? Well, it's all about your mindset. It's not magic, it's not luck, and it's definitely not a one-time trick. The real secret to success lies in how top performers think and how they approach challenges, setbacks, and growth. And guess what? You can adopt these exact same strategies to level up your own life. When we talk about the mindset of top performers, we need to understand one crucial thing. It all starts with how they view failure and success. Top performers don't see failure as something to fear, they see it as a necessary part of the process. Now, I know this might sound counterintuitive. Most of us avoid failure at all costs, but top performers understand that failing forward is the key to growth. This is why having a growth mindset is essential. What exactly does that mean? A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities, intelligence, and talents are not fixed traits. They can be developed through hard work, learning, and persistence. Top performers know this to be true. They don't get discouraged by setbacks or failures because they know each failure brings them closer to their goals. Think about it. You've probably heard of successful people like Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, or Thomas Edison. Each of these individuals encountered multiple failures before they found success. Elon Musk nearly went bankrupt with his first few companies, but he kept going. Oprah was told she wasn't fit for television, but she refused to quit. Their growth mindset is what propelled them forward. The next key element of thinking like a top performer is visualization. This isn't just about wishing for success. It's about actively seeing your goals come to life in your mind. Top performers don't just set goals and hope they happen. They picture every step in vivid detail so they can mentally prepare for each challenge and victory. Think about athletes who visualize themselves winning a race or musicians imagining their performance before stepping on stage. This kind of visualization helps them rehearse success and improve their performance before they even begin. It programs your brain to recognize opportunities and stay focused on your goals, ensuring you're prepared when the time comes. Visualization isn't just for athletes. It's something every top performer incorporates into their daily routine. You can do this by taking a few minutes each day to close your eyes and imagine yourself achieving your biggest goals. Whether it's acing a presentation, landing your dream job, or growing your business, picture yourself succeeding in every way possible. It creates a powerful mental framework that prepares you for the road ahead. But what happens when you face setbacks or failures? The key to overcoming them is resilience. Resilience is a trait that top performers have mastered, the ability to bounce back quickly, no matter the challenge. They don't let failure define them. Instead, they view setbacks as temporary and solvable. They understand that the path to success is never linear. Resilience requires mental toughness, and it starts with how you respond to challenges. Instead of seeing obstacles as something to avoid, top performers lean into them. They understand that facing adversity head-on is what sharpens their skills, strengthens their character, and builds their success. Every challenge they face becomes an opportunity to grow, and that's what makes them unstoppable. Another key aspect of thinking like a top performer is discipline and focus. We all have big dreams and aspirations, but top performers take action on a daily basis. They prioritize what matters most and dedicate their time and energy to it. Discipline is what separates those who dream from those who actually achieve their dreams. One of the biggest distractions in today's world is multitasking. While it might feel like you're getting a lot done, research shows that multitasking actually decreases productivity and increases mistakes. Top performers know this, so they focus on one task at a time. They create clear goals, break them down into manageable tasks, and give their full attention to each step. Discipline also means sticking to your routine and consistently doing the hard work, even when you don't feel like it. This level of commitment is what sets top performers apart. They know that success doesn't come from occasional bursts of effort, it comes from consistent, daily action. Now, no one can achieve greatness on their own. This is why top performers surround themselves with mentors and like-minded individuals. They know that to reach the highest levels of success, you need to learn from others who have already been there. Mentors provide valuable guidance, insights, and advice that can shorten your learning curve and help you avoid mistakes. Top performers also understand the importance of building a supportive community around them. By surrounding themselves with people who inspire, challenge, and encourage them, they stay motivated and continue growing. But don't just rely on others to teach you. Top performers are lifelong learners. They constantly seek new knowledge and improve their skills, whether it's through reading books, attending seminars, or consuming podcasts and other resources. They know that success is not a destination, it's a continual journey of learning and evolving. Let's not forget about positivity. Top performers maintain a positive attitude, even when things aren't going as planned. This doesn't mean they ignore challenges or setbacks. Instead, they approach difficulties with a sense of optimism, knowing that there's always a solution and that every setback is temporary. Positive thinking helps them stay focused on the long-term goal instead of getting bogged down by short-term failures. They stay confident in their abilities, trust the process, and keep moving forward with faith that success is inevitable. If you want to think like a top performer, cultivating a positive mindset is crucial. Finally, patience is key. Success doesn't happen overnight. Top performers know that it takes time to achieve greatness, and they are willing to put in the work, even when it seems like progress is slow. They understand that every step forward is a step closer to their ultimate goal, and they trust that the efforts will pay off in the end. To sum it up, thinking like a top performer is about developing the right mindset. It's about embracing challenges, visualizing success, staying resilient in the face of adversity, maintaining discipline, learning from others, staying positive, and being patient. These are the mindset hacks that can unlock your potential and set you on the path to success. If you're ready to start thinking like a top performer and take your life to the next level, remember that it all begins with your mindset. Start adopting these powerful strategies today and watch how they transform your approach to goals, growth, and success. Thanks for watching our video. If it inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your journey starts now, and we are here for every step.